Hi, welcome to my class. How are you all? Today we can learn a poem. Kang has a dream. Kang flew into the sky. He flew to the moon. He flew through a cloud. He slipped down a tree. Kang woke up with a bang. The kangaroo had a dream. In dream, the kangaroo flew into the moon through the cloud. After that, he fell down the tree. It was a dream. Then the kangaroo wake up with a bang. Children, do you have such dreams, strange dreams of flying into the sky or stars? At times, we also have such dreams, isn't it? These are the questions after the poem. Silence game. Close your eyes and hear your teacher say the following words. Butterfly, myna, fish, elephant, kangaroo. With your eyes still shut, imagine that you are seeing these creatures. Open your eyes and move like they do. So children, do this. Let's draw. Complete the pictures and label them. Here we are given the picture of an elephant and a kangaroo. But some parts of these animals are missing. So you need to fill the missing words. One letter of each body parts are given. Okay, let's see. The picture of the parts are also given. The letters starting with T. We know it is its tail. Next, we are given only one ear of the elephant. So, that will be an ear. Next, trunk. Next, kangaroo's ears. Its legs. Okay? Let's write and act. Fill in the blanks using the hint words given below. Okay? We are given some words and you need to just fill the blanks. The words are given below the sentences. Okay? The words are hop, roar, swim, fly. So you just need to fill the blanks. If I were a kangaroo, I would hop. If I were a tiger, I would roar. If I were a fish, I would swim. If I were a bird, I would fly. Okay? Say aloud. You just need to say these words aloud. Octopus, elephant, butterfly, kangaroo. Complete this picture and draw some plants, shells, stones and fish. Okay, you just need to fill the dots and complete the picture of this octopus. After that, you need to draw some plants, shells, stones, and fish. Okay? Let's write. Add full to the words given in brackets and complete the sentences. You just need to complete the sentence by writing the words given in the bracket. The first sentence is, you must be helpful to your friends. Make a colorful drawing. The puppy is so playful. Be careful while crossing the road. So here we just added FUL after the words. Okay? Join the two words to make one word. Look at the example. Okay? We are given an example. Likewise, we need to complete the other words. Peace plus full equal to peaceful. So here we can see that one L has gone. Likewise, we need to complete the other sentences also. Okay? You need to remove one L. So these words will be playful, colorful, careful, and hopeful. Okay? Write 5 things you can do. Start with I can. Okay? So here you can write any 5 things you can do. I can dance. I can play. I can swim. Or anything you can write it over there what you can do. After that, I cannot fly, but I can swim. Okay? Do you understand? From the 6th sentence, we have 2 blanks. In the first blank, you have to write down the things which you cannot do. After that, you have to fill the next blank by the things that you can do. Okay? Do it your own. Give yourself a big star for being what you are. You can write your quality over there. One can write, for myself, being honest, or any qualities that you are good of. That's all for today's class. Stay safe. Thank you.